Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we have here the brand new Huawei Band 4. As you can see, we finally have the Band 4 in our hands, and the last year we showed you the Huawei Honor 4, and we will see the difference between these two smartwatches, as we saw the difference between the Honor 5 and Honor 5i. So let's talk about the specification about this device. The Band 4, it has it comes in three different colors: graphite black, sakura pink, and amber sunrise. This is the graphite black. Obviously we have and the display, we have colorful screen TFT display, 0.96 inches, and the Band 4 will operate with Android 4.4 or above and iOS 9.0 and above. It has sensors for acceleration, heart rate, and other things that we will see in the future of this video. It has 101 mAh battery, and this watch is a small watch and it's not complicated, and I don't think it needs a bigger battery. It will charge in about 1.5 hours and will last for inside a week. So the options of the Band 4 are similar with other Honors and Bands from Huawei. So we have True Sleep from Huawei for sleeping statistic and information. We have Bluetooth 4.2 for your connection with phone. We will see that in the next video how to connect the Band 4 with Android and iOS. So the Band 4 is made with plastic in the front and rubber bands. It's 5 meters water resistant, and that's pretty much it around about the Band 4. Let's get back to the unboxing and see what we got more. So let's get back to the unboxing of this smartwatch. We have in the first in the cover of the page here, we have Huawei Band 4. You can see the picture of the Band 4. In the other side we have some information, and this time Huawei decided to do all in English. And that's surprising, because we saw in the Huawei Honor 5i that came out before the Band 4, we had all information in Chinese and we couldn't understand anything. So here we can see again the plug and charge logo. We know that Band 4 doesn't need a charger or a cable for charging. You just pull out one side of the band, and you can plug in the laptop or power bank, and you will charge your Band 4. Next we have creative watch faces, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, 9 workout modes, 50 meters water resistant, and that's pretty much it. So let's begin with unboxing. We can see the watch wrapped up for safety purposes. Here we have some books. Let's see what we got. We have the warranty card, in different languages. Also we have here the guide, also the guide in different languages, as you can see. So finally Huawei decided to do something easier for us to understand these instructions. As you can see now, we have the band in our hands. We can see the shape of the screen is different from the Honor 4, and also the button here in the bottom of the screen, it has different shapes. We can compare that right now. We can see we have here the Honor 4. The screen is different and the button is different as well. We have round button in the Honor 4. In the Band 4 we have different shape of the button. We can see the difference in the bands as well, not in the material. The material is the same, they both are really soft, even though the Band 4 has softer bands, but the graphite and the design of the bands are different. So now that we know the difference between these watches in the outside look, let's go ahead now in the software. Let's see if it's changed anything. As you can see in the first page, we have time, date, kilometers, steps and burned calories here in the bottom. Next we have steps, heart rate, sleep, workout, more, messages, and that's it. Let's go here to the workout. Let's see the 9 workout that it says in the box. We have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor cycling, elliptical, rower, and free training. Let's go to the more here. We have timer, stopwatch, faces, find phone, brightness, screen on, battery, and system. So as I said in the beginning of this video, this watch is really simple, and the battery that it has, it's enough for this watch. Also, these options do not require a bigger battery, so that will do the job. Let's go ahead, test these options and see what we got from the Band 4. Now we have the Band 4 in my hand. As you can see, it sits really good, flat with the hand, and honestly the Huawei is killing the game with these smart watches. They all are doing the greatest that they can do. You can see the shape of them. They are really thin and really comfortable to wear in the day basic. Let's go ahead to the heart rate. Let's test that first. You can see the results are really fast. If you haven't seen the video of Huawei Honor 5i, the results in that watch came as fast as this one. We have here workout, outdoor run is first. Let's go test that. For the sport mode, always one finger away from your wrist. And honestly, these watches of Huawei works really good. Now we can see the time of the watch here. We have blood pressure measurement, kilometers, seconds or going. We have kilometers per hour, minutes, and burned calories. So these information are really beneficial for your workout. Let's end this session. Let's go now and see, as you can see here, the messages or notification or messages are coming. We have the percentage of battery and the weather here as well. So guys, this was all for today's video in Huawei Band 4. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.